โอเคค่ะ
This side. Try the chicken and the crab.
Ah, okay. Yep.
This one,
Oh, that's the float.
yeah.
So you know where it is. Cool. Easy peasy, huh?
easy
It's a good day. It's a good day, but it's also a good thing that I stayed here as long as I did, because it makes days like today, a rain day, just a-okay. I slept in. No, what did I? No. Yeah, I slept till about 9:30, 9 maybe. Got up and ate some breakfast, and then we packed stuff, and then we went and ate a little bit, and then it started to rain. It let up, so we came home, got a new room, and then it's been raining ever since. So but it's a rainy day in Riley. I take it over a rainy day anywhere else, I guess. Look at the smile on my face. And I don't ever smile. I'm not a smiley guy, unless there's a reason to smile. And